So, welcome to today's video. My name is Sagraded and today we are in my room for a very special reason. Outside the sun is way too hot and I don't want to burn my ass. Plus there are our neighbor aunties decided to all hang the clothes at the same time, which means they are camping at the rooftops and I do not want to go there because you do not want to look like a moron in front of all the neighbors. So we are recording in my room. A major point to be noted here is the cleanliness of the room. Let's check it out. Let's begin the room tour. So, in this corner, there are the clothes from the past few weeks which I did not wash because quarantine life. Then we have the bed, and as you can see, the bed sheet is error. Yeah, this one wasn't changed from the past month, so I'm pretty sure my ass will itch for 3 days now. So yeah, we need to clean this. And the last part of the video is, to all the teachers watching, this is your favorite part. Here are my books. As you can see, very clearly arranged. And just to clarify, I love reading. Okay, I maintain discipline in school. Kind of. So this is what we are going to do today because I haven't thought of anything else. So let's begin. Oh shit. So first we are going to clean this. My bed. Let's begin. So first part comes with segregation. Remove the things which you do not want from the place you are cleaning. And in this place, let's just see whatever the hell is it. Headphones. Do not need that. Clock. Towel. Coronavirus. Clean. Oh. Don't need this. What the hell is this doing here? Shades. I am looking to. Don't need this. Don't need that. And the bed sheet. And that. So, now that we have segregated the things, let's go on to the next step. Now comes my favorite step of cleaning the bed, and that is soap. The next part is removing the dust from the bed, and this is an art passed down from generation to generation. And there is a secret move that legend speaks about, the legend of removing dust from the bed jutsu. बेड क्लीन करा ले, धूल झाड़ा ले. And it's done. Next, we put the bed sheet on. And this is really easy and moving. You just take the bed sheet and naturally easy. See? Talent. And now I just need to do that. And it's done. And then all you gotta do is just put things back to however it was. Easy. Done. The bed is clean. Now I just need to put this mosquito net. Malaria. Am I right? And I am done washing it. It should be dry in about 10 minutes. My legs are freaking burning, so let's go down. Next, just clean this corner. Hey, get me in the camera. Nice. So let me just clean this up. Maths. New books are often done. So this area has been done. I will just broom the dust later. Now onto the rack. So the rack will be the hardest part to clean. So let's begin. all will be the rack. Now to round it all up, I just need to clean this thing and we are done finally. So, this has literally been cleaning my room for 10 minutes. Did you seriously watch this? Do you have nothing else to do in your life? Now go clean your room. It's disgusting, it is stinky, it is poo-poo. Go clean that right now. Freaking bastard watching others suffer. See? And fuck you.